Welcome to our walking tour of beautiful Manatee Beach, Florida. Located in the City of Holmes Beach on the stunning Anna Maria Island, Manatee Beach is easily accessible from Bradenton via Route 64. This is an immensely popular spot with locals and visitors alike, and it's easy to see why. Manatee Beach spans 7 acres and boasts soft white sand and turquoise blue waters. There are lifeguards on duty, and there's also a large free parking lot. But since this is such a popular spot, the lots do fill up quickly, so plan to arrive early. If you don't want to drive, consider taking the free Anna Maria Island trolley, which stops right in front of the beach for easy access. Manatee Beach has lots of amenities, including a visitor information stand, chair rentals, volleyball nets, grills, and picnic tables. There is an outdoor cafe and tiki bar and a gift shop. Manatee Beach has restrooms, showers, and changing huts too. It has basically everything you need to enjoy your beach visit. It's important to note that sea turtle nesting season runs from May through October, so be aware of marked nests and please do not disturb them. They're protected by the state of Florida. If you like this video, please tap the like button, and if you love to travel and are looking for your next adventure, subscribe to our channel for beautiful destination ideas. And check our travel resources guide in the description below to help you plan your next trip. Now sit back and enjoy this short walking tour of Manatee Beach on the beautiful Anna Maria Island.